Let me start by saying Edo is the heartbeat of the nation. The heartbeat is not the heart of the nation. It's not the blood of the nation. It is the heartbeat. The slogan is the heartbeat. You know what is the heartbeat? The life of the nation. The life of the nation. Without Edo, there is no nation. Edo is the oldest, only existing kingdom of the world. It's the heartbeat. It's not the heart. It's the heartbeat, as in the life. The life. The life. Not be, you know, go see something to compare. The life of the nation. You understand? That life, that is Edo State. If you are talking of slogan. And Nigeria is the heartbeat of Africa. And Africa is the heartbeat of the world. So from that aspect, you can see where we truly come from. You can see where we truly belong. You can see who we truly are. We have lost this concept. We have lost our identity. We have lost who we truly are. Because we have given our heart to greed. We have given our heart to hatred. We have given our heart to miseducation. We have given our heart to wickedness. And we use this medium to bear each and every sons and daughter of Edo. If you know you are a son, you are a daughter, you are a true born of the soil. Because I know every human being is rooted from Edo. Every human being alive today is an Edo person. It's an Edo person, but the three identity, the one with the Edo called Oyesese or Moto. Oyesese, the original solid close beneath blood. That is who, yeah. Because I know every human being is an Edo man. Every living human being, because Edo is the birthplace of modern day humanity. Edo is the birthplace of creation. And in the religious context, in the religious like the Christian religious point of view, the Garden of Eden is in Edo. The first human being is in Edo. And let me make it clear to us that the religious aspect, the religious fiction of God, was depicted from the monarchy system for the traditional system of Edo. As in, let me make it more and more clearer. Like the way the God is from the Christian religious aspect, like God with his angels and every other thing, different beings was depicted from the monarchy system of Edo. Edo is the Oba is the God. The witches and wizards are his angels, are his messengers. The chiefs are his subjects. Everything. But the witches and wizards, they turn against themselves. Let me first of all use this medium to say a big thank you to all the witches and wizards, the Mami Water, the native doctors, every of them, traditional practitioners, all of them. Because those people are really powerful. Those people are divinely, genuinely powerful. But they have channeled their power to wrongdoings. They have channeled their power to evil practices that is dangerous to themselves and to humanity at large. I want to use this medium to urge every human being that is spiritually oriented, that is spiritually gifted with power, to please channel it for the good of Edo. Because divine spirituality spirituality is the future of science and technology. Spirituality is the future of mankind. Spirituality is the future of everything. We have to first of all take a lead in this aspect. We have to acknowledge this facts and work towards it and make good use of it now. You understand? I want us to really look deep down inside ourselves and acknowledge the potentialities that is vested in spirituality that we have, that we originate. Because believe it or not, anywhere spirituality, anywhere in the world that it is found, it is rooted from beginning. It is gifted from beginning, and it was either taken away as a result of trade or gift, or because millions and millions have migrated from Benin. I'm very sure, I'm absolutely 1,000,000% sure that every human being alive today is an Edo man. So let us acknowledge this basic fact of life and work towards actualization of this fact. Because I know, we believe it or not, we accept it or not, it is what it is. We cannot do anything about that fact. And I want to really urge all those our fathers and others that are gifted with divine spirituality to channel all those powers and potentiality for good. Because I see all we do with this divine power is crime, is evil.